I'm Armin Muradian. I am General Manager here at UMW. We are located in Schaumburg, Illinois. Our company specializes in precision CNC machining. We serve different kinds of industries, including automotive automation, and mainly we make hydraulic manifolds. It is important for us to know our OEE in order to schedule our workflow on our machines. Before we were introduced to Amper, we would collect our data using spreadsheets. And a lot of times our people wouldn't collect the right data or any data at all. That was one of our main challenges, to have all the right data to stay competitive and to give our customers better service. So we recently implemented Amper's and done call button that allows our operators call the right person on the floor. Our operators like it because they don't have to walk around and look for the right person. They just use their tablet to push the button and call the right person for help.
Hi, my name is Gantare and I'm Operations Manager here at UMW. Amper helps me manage our shop floor right from my desk without the need of having any extra supervisor. I use Amper daily to assign operators to their machines. We just started using a setup module to help our guys to streamline the setup process. We will be using that data to analyze time it takes on each job.
Another great feature of Amper's is the maintenance module. Everything is now based on utilization. Amper lets us know when is the next scheduled maintenance. No more paperwork to track the oil change in the machine or the coolant change in the sump on our machines. We set the frequency based on days, months, or the actual hours machine was cutting chips, and Amper notifies us of the next due date.
My name is Arina Moradian. I am a CEO of UMW Incorporated. Another valuable point about Amper is that our operations manager, Gintari, doesn't spend much time on reporting anymore, so she can do other value-added activities.
So before Amper, we would have spreadsheets and daily logs filled out by myself and our staff to collect data. This would take 8 to 10 hours a week to do manually. Now it all gets done through Amper. I can review all information through my phone, tablet, computer, at-home computer, and it makes it easier to review all the data. Amper is a great tool for all of us here at UMW.
So overall with Amper, our staff performs better and it allows a better margin for the company. So we really value Amper and thank you guys for everything.
Amper is a great tool. We use it every day. We love it.